I also dated a magician. I really did, a professional magician. I'm sorry to brag. I was seeing him, now I don't. And my friends were like, Jenny, a magician, that's a red flag. Yeah, and then a yellow one, and a green one, and a blue one, and a bunny. He was a mentalist, so he's a mind reader. He reads minds, yeah. Which is crazy, because I didn't come once. Okay. Do any of you think that magicians are hot? I know you do. Do any of you think that magicians are hot? The guy who thinks Lizzie McGuire's dad is pedestrian, do you think magicians are? No? Not, you wouldn't do it? Okay, you guys are all wrong! You were wrong. Magicians are hot as hell. Have you ever seen a picture of Houdini? He's like buff, he's in chains. If he cut me in half, the bottom half would come. Who? Houdini? Yeah. He did. That is so true. That is so true. How old do you guys think I am? Also, how old? What are we thinking? Shout it out. 32? 30? Thank you. 25? I'll marry you. Okay, no guys, I'm in my late 20s. 32. And ever since I turned 30, things have really changed. They've changed for me. Like, I want to be pregnant. But like not today, though I could. I'm just like 2 rosés and someone who thinks I'm 25 away. But I want to have a baby by the time I'm 37. Okay, so to do a little bit of math, woman in STEM, I just need to be pregnant by 36, preferably before August or after September, otherwise that baby is a Gemini. And then married by 35 because I'm not having a baby without a contract. Engaged by 34, living together by 33, dating by 32. Guys, I'm running out of time. I only have 1 more year-long relationship that ends poorly. And 2 more 3-month, like, what the fuck is this? Situationships left before I have to meet the father of my children. My timeline is completely fucked if I don't find someone to make out with who is in this room right now. But I won't. We all want to go to bed immediately after this. Like, we really do. And also, I have a boyfriend, but... And he heard that joke, and he started looking for a better job. He got on LinkedIn after that joke. He really loves adventure sports. I love my limbs. So on vacation, we went waterfall jumping, which is when you, like, jump from a high height into the water. Immediately upon impact, I got an ear infection, which is how you know that I'm Jewish. Like, we are not supposed to be jumping from a high height into the water. We are supposed to be parting it and walking through it slowly. Or maybe turning it into a nice glass of Cabernet. That's it. And you know, for as much as Jews love turning water into wine, like kind of our thing, it's crazy that there aren't more Jewish Real Housewives. I built my life from the ground up. Now I'm on top of the pyramids. Love me or hate me, God already chose me. I don't wait for anyone except the Messiah. Stop it. Okay, thank you. Is anyone in here Jewish? Anyone? Woo! Oh my God, guy. Okay, not enough. What the heck? I mean, I know that makes me sound a little bit like a Nazi. Like, more Jews in the dark room. It'd be fun. Which kind of makes you think, why are there not more Nazi Real Housewives? Hit it.